my name is Carola Solano Meres, and I am a coordinator for San Diego County Office of Education. I'm here representing San Diego County Office of Ed and Migrant Education, and this event has been absolutely incredible. UDL.com really has opened my eyes to not only see the lens of our students and have school be done for them, not to them. Getting the skills, the tools, and the strategies to go back and empower all our teachers so they go into the classroom and make every single day special, unique, and empowering for our students. That is our non-negotiable. To bring up love, happiness, and joy, to have those words amplified through everything that we do in this conference, and taking it back to our students so they could feel loved, so they could feel empowered, and they can know that we are their champions and they are not alone in the world. On the other hand, they have their number one champion by their side.
Hello, my name is Dr. Paola Vasquez, and I'm from El Paso, Texas. I work at Region 19, a service center there in Texas, and I'm excited for being here at Universal Design for Learning Conference. It's been an awesome experience being able to really be able to talk and mingle and have conversations about the passionate work for Universal Design for Learning. Very, very fortunate to be here. I'm glad I was able to be part of this and listen to a lot of the presenters and really focus on, this is a national conference. We have a lot of people from all over the world, and it's great to come together and share a commonality for the passion of the work for Universal Design.
Hi, I'm Richard Gifford, and I'm an education programs consultant with the California Department of Education. And I'm here at the conference as a part of the California UDL Coalition. And we're just here learning more about UDL and networking to promote UDL throughout the state.
Hi, I'm Keith Rocha. I'm a proud principal at Crocker Middle School in Hillsborough, California, and my biggest takeaway today is to share your story. We have had such a great experience, my whole team here, and it has been just incredible, just inspiring, really loving, really supportive, and we are so excited to get back to work and create an environment for kids that is supportive and encouraging, and one that all students can thrive in.
Hi, my name is Sherry Smith from Ohio. I'm a state support team educational consultant, and I just want to say that this has been one of the most inspirational conferences I've attended. The energy in the air is palpable. People are just so excited and happy to learn with and from each other, and I'm just grateful for the opportunity to be here.
Hi, I'm Lauren Tovar. I am the Administrative Director of Educational Services for the Brea Linda Unified School District in North Orange County, California. The UDL conference has been great for our team to come together and share our learning. We have divided and conquered the different sessions and are excited to come together to see how this can support our students in our district.
Hi, my name is Jamie Fonz, and I am from Michigan. I work at Macomb Intermediate Schools, and this is my first in-person UDL Con. I've attended them online before, and I've always had an amazing experience connecting, but nothing like being in person. Every day, the keynotes are just inspiring and give you so much fuel to go back and do this hard work. Meeting lots of amazing people from lots of different places, and having really important conversations. So I'm so glad I came, and I will definitely come again.
Hi, I'm Heather Carr. I'm from Inyo County Office of Education, and that's on the eastern side of California, and this conference has been phenomenal. I've learned a lot.
All right. Hi, I'm Megan Dixon from Grass Valley, California, and I've so enjoyed being at the conference this weekend just to learn more about the lens of UDL and how to help support my teachers on campus.
Hi, I am Nancy Jackson from the Nevada County Superintendent of Schools office in Grass Valley, California. And I am just so excited to be here to connect to colleagues who are impassioned by the work of Universal Design for Learning, because it'll make great impact for all of our students.
Hi, my name is Andrea Conte. I'm a visual arts teacher at Nevada City School of the Arts. I come with a team from the Nevada County Superintendent of School, And I'm loving the conference. It's very invigorating, it's reaffirming, and it's just rejuvenating with all the practices, all the things we can bring to the students and teachers back to our school. So, way to go.
Hi, my name is Patricia Mays Cadell, and I'm coming from MESD out of Portland, Oregon. That's Multnomah Educational Service District. And we attended this, and it was fabulous. You guys, I really love the idea of starting with the two things, starting with the end in mind and also making sure we add that human touch when it comes to UDL. So there were a lot more things, but I won't go into it. I'll let some other people cover that, but those were the two main parts that I really loved.
Well, hello, my name is Esther Harris, and first I'm just really grateful to be here. I do not have a teacher voice, so get a little closer, listen up. But you know, I will make this real specific. I came because of Dr. Andretisha. Reading her book changed my life and my practice, and it helped me not only be where my feet are, right? So I'm present with my students, but also have a real in-depth understanding of where I want to take them on this journey, but allowing them to show up as who they are. I take my academic learning, I tend to work at what we call Title I schools, and that does not mean that it's deficit-based. It means that maybe there are challenges that people, not that people with a lot of capital don't have challenges, but it's a different challenge. You can buy your way out as an excuse, and if you don't have a dollar, you cannot. So it's serious to teach somebody how to read, and Dr. Andretisha, her session alone, if you allow it, will kind of wash you with something new. And so grateful for the whole show, but I have to plug her because she's just exceptional. She's rare, and wow.
Hi, my name is Belinda Rapp Patterson from Washington Unified School District, preschool through 8th grade Stonegate. And these last 2 days have been overwhelming, but invigorating, and I'm ready for the school year.
Hi, my name is Trish Dietrich, and I'm from West Sacramento, Bridgeway Island, K through 8 school, and we're in Washington Unified School District. And this conference has been really inspiring. I've learned a lot of things about inclusion, and I'm going back to my school ready to make a better, safer place for kids.
Hi, my name is Erin Loomis. I'm from Fort Bragg Unified School District in Mendocino County. The UDL conference was amazing. Just learning more about how it looks everywhere and bring it to our district to implement in our schools. It was a great event, and I highly recommend it.
My name is Lena Butte. I'm the principal of South Hillsborough School from the Hillsborough City School District, and I am here with my principal, Heidi Felt, who's also a principal of an elementary school. And this conference has been very inspiring. The keynote speakers have been incredible. And I think we always have to remember that we need to always be student-centered and make sure that we understand our students so that they can all feel a sense of belonging and included in all that we do.